So today I'll be talking about simplifying rational expression. This is 9.1 and 9.2 in your textbook. First example, basically we're looking for common factors we want to cancel out. If you notice, the x minus 5 is in the top and the bottom, so it's in the numerator and the denominator. We can rearrange it if you like, right? Because multiplication is commutative. So I'm going to put the x minus 5 first and clearly see that x minus 5 term will cancel out of the numerator and denominator. So I'm left with 2x over x squared minus 1. Let's do another similar example of this, but it doesn't factor and cancel out as quickly and easily as this one. So here's another sort of canceling out example. So notice the numerator. We've got z squared w minus z squared. That has a common term of z squared, so I'm going to factor that out. Denominator of something similar. It has a common factor of z cubed, so I'll factor that out. I'm left with something that looks close to canceling out, but not. We're actually going to pull out a negative 1 from the w minus 1, so it matches with the denominator. So now my 1 minus w will cancel, and I can eventually simplify it to negative 1 over z. And that is the first, those are the examples I wanted to go over in this video. I hope you now understand how to factor and cancel out factors in rational expressions.